This is the subframe that was on my friend's Kia Optima. That's on the driver's side. And that's rotted off on the passenger side big time. This is the subframe we got out at Wilbert's. You pull it. $52.50 with tax. And those ends are in good shape for a 2009. And we pulled the plug last night. We had one stinking bolt to get loose, and it bent and got stuck. I center punched it. And I got the smallest brand new drill bit I could find, and I'm going to attempt to drill that out. I got to get my camera set up here, because I know you got inquiring minds. And it's rainy and drizzly here in the Buffalo area. Timber, I need more junk in my garage. I'll see if I can set this camera up with a good view. I could see why replacing a rack and pinion steering would be such a mother goose job. I can't even get my camera stand set up here. Crying out loud. All right, there we go. This is not a job for the faint of heart. Where the heck am I here? I got to get it just above the light there. There's the hole we want to focus in on. And I cut what was left of the bolt head off with a Harbor Freight angle grinder. Got it nice and close. I'm going to give it a little shot of PB Blaster for extra lube, because my thinking is I can make the holes bigger and bigger, and eventually that bolt will break off because it's turning. Helps if I tighten the drill bit here. This is a slow, painful process. I don't have a torch, or I would try and burn it, but this is all aluminum and you don't want to break it, because then you're back to square one. You screwed up. So I'm probably down about that far there. I gotta pull this drill out a little bit more. And these little drills snap real easy. I don't want to break a drill in there. That'll be screwed even bigger. But for some reason, the threads of the bent bolt are stuck on that. Oh, that went right through. Sweet baby Jesus, loving it. Loving every minute of it. Well, I got to go upsize to a couple more drills and come back to this project. The Nightmare on Church Street.